Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a loan from PayPal. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to apply for a PayPal loan, you will need to apply for PayPal working capital. So you can simply go to paypal.com/working capital, or you can simply search for PayPal working capital in your search engine, and then it will get you to the PayPal working capital here. So as you can see here, PayPal Working Capital will give you flexible payments, one affordable fixed fee, and no credit check and funding in minutes. So simply, if you want to start applying, you can just click on Apply Now. For here, you can see some features or some benefits of working capital. So as you can see here, this is how much you can receive. It is based on your PayPal account history about the amount that you can receive, so you can receive an amount that fits your business. Also here you can find the cost of your loan, and this is how you can simply repay. So basically after that you click on apply now, you will need to log in into your account. So simply it's just logging in, and basically now uh, then you would start seeing how you can simply uh, following the instructions, like reading the term and conditions. You will need to accept on the instruction, and you will need just to submit and follow on the instruction uh, on how you can apply. So after you agree on all the agreements or all the instruction, you will just add your personal information, you accept on the agreement, and basically you will start getting your loan. So simply this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.